Hey, what's going on guys? Miller Ben here and welcome to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you or teaching you what is affiliate marketing. And I believe that affiliate marketing is probably the best business that you can get in right now in 2019. And before we go on to the video, on this channel, I'm going to be teaching you or showing you how to make money online. And we're going to be talking about marketing, motivation, and mindset because these are the three things that you need to learn in order to be a successful online entrepreneur. And if you like those type of videos, I invite you to click on the subscribe button down below and click on that notification bell so that you'll be notified on when those videos are coming out. Alright, so let's go on to the video. So what is affiliate marketing? So affiliate marketing is basically just selling other people's product. And that's what I love about it because you don't have to create any product. You just have to sell other people's product. And before we go into the blueprint, I just want to show you just maybe three advantages, right? So we're gonna put here on the paint. So what are the advantages of having to start an affiliate business? First off is it's free. That's what I love about affiliate marketing is that you don't have to buy actually you don't have to buy a product in order for you to promote it and to earn a commission from it. There's a lot of affiliate marketplace out there, and I'm going to be showing you that on the next videos, and that you can just come in, sign up, and just pick a product that you like and then just promote it, and then when people buy from that you will earn a commission. So it's so simple. So it's totally free and you don't need any small investment on that part. And number two is because you're promoting other people's product, right? So you don't have to, again, to create products, right? So you don't have to create products, and it's very hard to create products because you have to learn sales, you have to learn copywriting, you have to learn, you have to create a customer support for that, a merchant to capture to process payments, right? So that's very hard. So you just have to create you don't have to create any products for that. And number three is since you are already promoting other people's product, right? So they already provide you with a sales page, um, and they're just gonna pay you out in commissions, right? They are gonna pay you out directly. I think it's the easiest way and the most secure way is that they pay you through PayPal, and that's very important. So number four, right? You only need to do two things, right? You only need to do two things in affiliate marketing, and that is to promote and to market. That's it, right? You just have to promote and market. Those are just the two focus that you need to learn in order to be successful as an affiliate marketer, right? So now we have those advantages. Now we're gonna see, like example, you already chose a product for you, right? So you have your product here. So probably on the next video, I'm gonna be discussing the three niches or the three type of products you're gonna promote, and those are very profitable niches that you can get into. And I guarantee to you that those three niches, you'll always have a customer to buy those products. So make sure again to click on the subscribe button so that you will know when I will be releasing that video. All right, so when you have your product, right, and all you need to do, as I said, is to drive traffic, and this is drive traffic to what we call a lead capture page, right? Capture page. So basically, the function of a lead capture page is to capture name and email, right? So I will show you what a lead capture page looks like. This is an example of a lead capture page. So it has none of the basic, I'm going to be dissecting this, but basically it's just to put their name and email so that you will have a, a person that you can talk to, market to in the near future. So that's so important that you need to capture the email or the name information, because sometimes they don't buy on the first exposure. Basically, they have to have like 8 to 10 more exposure before they buy. That's why it's so important for you to have a lead capture page in order you can follow up with them through their email. So you have this lead capture page. And affiliate marketing, again, if you're going to promote other people's product, they already have this for you, and all you need to do is to drive traffic, right? So traffic are people, right? So people that are interested or already looking for that type of product. And there's two sources of traffic. They are free and paid. So I'm going to be expanding more on that. So what are your, let's say, your free, your Facebook, your Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, all those social media sites, right? LinkedIn, etc. And paid are your ads. So you will always see them on Facebook, right? If you see sponsored on them, it's a paid ad, right? So those are your traffic. So when you drive people to a lead capture page, you will have get their information and their email. Now you have this magic sequence, right? You will now have permission to follow up with them through your email, right? Email sequence. So we're going to be teaching you more on that. And when you're going to have their email now, you will now drive them to a dun, 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 a sales page. So sales page basically has a lot of copywriting on them. Probably has a video, because video right now is very powerful in 2019, and there's gonna be a lot of selling there, and a lot of marketing in place for you. So this is a example of a sales page there. So
have a direct impact on you and your bank account. If you stick around until the end of this video.
Right. So when you're going to promote other people's product, again, they will already have a sales page for you that will do all the selling for you. So that's what I love about it. And then when they buy, you earn a commission. So that's it, guys. So that's why I love affiliate marketing, because it's basically simple, right? You can actually be successful on this affiliate marketing. Just be sure that you know you follow the blueprint exactly the way we teach you, because there's a lot of affiliate marketers that they're just blast people with their affiliate link, right? So that's called spamming, right? So now this is the blueprint that I'm teaching you, where you will be really successful, right? Because this is the basic, this is the blueprint. Just follow the blueprint and you will be successful in affiliate marketing. All right, guys, so I hope you get value from this video. If you do, let me know in the comment section down below. And if you need help, right, just let me know. If you have any questions, just let me know. All right, there's a lot of ways for you to connect with me on the description on this video. You can connect with me on Facebook, Twitter, on Instagram, or here in YouTube. All right, guys, so yeah. So Maynard Brady here, wishing you more health and more wealth. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.